The CORSAIR iCUE 4000X RGB transformed my PC setup into a visual masterpiece. Its RGB lighting, powered by the 3 ESP120 RGB Elite fans, is nothing short of breathtaking, as you're seeing. The vibrant colors synchronized seamlessly through the iCUE software elevate my gaming experience. The case's build quality is exceptional, and the tempered glass side panel showcases my components beautifully. One standout feature is its impeccable cable management system. CORSAIR's design makes organizing cables effortlessly, ensuring a clean and clutter-free interior. Despite its focus on aesthetics, the case doesn't compromise on airflow, keeping my components cool and efficient. The spacious interior accommodates ATX motherboards and various storage options. While it comes at a premium, the investment is worth every penny for enthusiasts who demand both style and substance. I'm thrilled with my purchase and would recommend the 4000X RGB to anyone seeking a top-tier PC case for a visually stunning and high-performance build.